Ever feel like content creation takes over your entire week? What if I told you it's possible to plan an entire month of content in a single day and stay consistent without the burnout? In this video, I'm walking you through the exact tools I use to brainstorm, organize, create, and schedule 30 days of content, all in one focused session. Whether you're a solopreneur, freelancer, YouTuber, or small business owner, these tools will help you simplify your process and save hours every month. Everything mentioned is linked in the description below, including affiliate-supported links to Canva Pro, Taskade, and Buffer. I use all of them myself and highly recommend them. Let's jump in. To plan 30 days of content in one day, I follow a simple 4-phase system: brainstorm, organize, create, schedule. Each phase uses a specific tool that makes the process faster, cleaner, and repeatable. This isn't about randomly filling a calendar. It's about building a workflow you can rely on. It shifts you from constantly feeling behind to being confidently ahead, replacing daily stress with one productive day. Breaking the big task of making content into 4 focused stages prevents energy-draining context switching. Instead of thinking of an idea, designing, writing, and posting all at once, you dedicate time to each. This batching method is key to producing more, better content. Let's break it down. Phase 1, the foundation of the entire month, is idea capture. I use Taskade, a flexible, all-in-one workspace for your brain. It helps me build databases, mind maps, and publishing checklists. Simpler than project management software, but more structured than a notes app, it's ideal for creators. Here's my process inside Taskade. I create a new workspace called Content Calendar, and inside that, a new project, for example, named Monthly Ideas Dump, using list or board view. This is my raw, judgment-free idea zone. I jot down every thought: titles, hooks, audience questions, links, and article inspiration. It's messy, chaotic, but essential. To give it structure, I categorize ideas by core content pillars: education, teach something valuable; engagement, ask questions; storytelling, anecdotes or case studies; and promotion, talk about your products. Taskade's tagging or list features let me label each one easily, like tagging 5 mistakes to avoid as #education or what's your biggest challenge as #engagement. This balances my content mix across the board. Taskade syncs across devices, so I can add ideas anytime, even while waiting for coffee. If you work with a team or assistant, the real-time collaboration features are gold. You can add comments, see updates, and build ideas together. After 2 hours of brainstorming, I typically end up with 30-50 categorized ideas, ready for the next step. This early separation of ideation from execution is key to planning efficiently. With the ideas captured, it's time for phase 2, organize. I stay in Taskade for this because of its flexibility. I switched the Monthly Ideas Dump project to a calendar or Kanban view. The calendar offers a month-at-a-glance format, while the Kanban board, with columns like ideas, to be created, in progress, and scheduled, lets me track each post's progress. I drag the strongest ideas onto specific dates, aiming for 1 or 2 posts per weekday, depending on the platform. I think about weekly flow, starting with motivation or education, dropping engagement posts mid-week, and ending with a story or promotion. At this stage, I build out each post using subtasks in Taskade. A single Instagram post might include write script, design graphic, write caption, find hashtags. A YouTube video has more: outline script, write script, film A-roll, gather B-roll, edit, design thumbnail, write description. These checklists ensure every part of the process is accounted for. I also use color coding and tags: blue for reels, green for carousels, yellow for single image posts, etc., so I can spot any overused formats. I tag by theme too: #motivation, #how-to, #client story, #CTA. This ensures my calendar is diverse and aligned with monthly goals. Taskade's ability to duplicate templates is a game changer. Once my ideal monthly calendar is built, I save it. Each new month, I duplicate the structure, color codes, subtasks, layout, and plug in new ideas. It transforms content planning from a monthly stressor into a repeatable system. This structured step is critical to a streamlined workflow. Then comes phase 3, the most visual and creative step: creating assets. For graphics, carousels, thumbnails, PDFs, or laying out video scripts visually, I use Canva Pro. It's the most powerful, intuitive design tool for non-designers, bridging the gap between concept and completion faster than anything else I've tried. My workflow workflow inside Canva Pro is built for speed and consistency. I rely heavily on the brand kit feature, where my exact brand colors, primary and secondary fonts, and all logos are preloaded. This means every design I start is already on brand. I don't waste time hunting for hex codes or trying to remember fonts. It's a massive time saver that ensures brand cohesion. Next, I live by templates, both Canva's and my own. Canva Pro offers a vast library of templates for carousels, reels, YouTube thumbnails, and quote cards. I use these as a starting point, apply my brand kit with one click, and customize from there. Over time, I've also built reusable content blocks, pre-designed slides like a CTA, testimonial, tip of the day, or intro for carousels. This building block approach means I'm assembling content, not designing from scratch. Canva's AI-powered Magic Studio tools are indispensable. If I'm stuck on a headline, I'll use Magic Write. Got a great photo with a distracting background? Magic Eraser or Background Remover handles it in seconds. But for batching days, Magic Switch is king. I can design an Instagram post and one-click convert it into a story, Pinterest pin, LinkedIn post, or YouTube community graphic. It intelligently resizes and rearranges everything. This allows me to produce multi-platform content fast. I usually block off 3 hours to live inside Canva Pro, creating 20-25 assets for the month. Phase 4, schedule. Assets designed, captions written in Cascade. Now it's time to put it all on autopilot using Buffer. Buffer is clean, reliable, and connects with all my platforms: Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, X Twitter, Pinterest, and more. What I love about Buffer, its visual calendar is intuitive. I can drag and drop posts into time slots and get a high-level view of my schedule. Its queue system lets me set a posting schedule like 9 a.m., 1 p.m., 6 p.m., and Buffer fills in the gaps automatically. I upload my Canva graphics, copy-paste captions from Cascade, and schedule the first comment on Instagram for hashtags. It even shows a grid preview of my profile. In about an hour, my entire month of content is scheduled and ready to go. Seeing 30 days queued up, knowing my presence is running without daily effort, is priceless. No more waking up thinking, what do I post today? Now that you've seen the 4-phase system and my core content tools, let's talk speed. Getting it all done in one day takes efficiency. Here are 5 bonus tips. First, repurpose aggressively. One educational tip can become a carousel slide, reel script, tweet, and LinkedIn article point. Create once, distribute everywhere. Second, template everything. Design your core assets once in Canva, reuse forever. Build your planning structure once in Cascade, duplicate monthly. Third, time block ruthlessly. From 9-11 a.m., brainstorm in Cascade. 11 a.m. to 2 p.m., design in Canva. 2-3 p.m., schedule in Buffer. Treat it like important meetings. Fourth, let AI assist. Use Magic Write and Cascade AI to reduce mental load, not replace your creativity. Lastly, focus on good enough. This is about consistency, not perfection. Don't let font or word choices slow you down. Done is better than perfect. To recap, brainstorm and organize everything in Cascade, batch your visuals in Canva Pro using brand kits and templates, upload and schedule in Buffer. One focused day equals 30 days of content. This system frees you from the content treadmill. No more last-minute scrambling, burnout, or going silent online. Tools mentioned, Canva Pro, Cascade, Buffer, are linked below. If you sign up through those affiliate links, it supports the channel at no cost to you, and I truly appreciate it. Consistency doesn't happen by accident, it happens by system. If you want to grow your brand, business, or just stay visible in 2025, content planning is a high leverage skill. It's the difference between being a slave to the algorithm or making it work for you. If this video helped, like and subscribe to Work Mode Tech for more smart systems. Drop a comment below. What's your favorite content tool right now? I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay consistent, stay creative, and stay in work mode.